Hey there. So we just released Max. He's your marketing partner inside of Marky. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Max in your marketing flow and how Max is going to really change how you can create, strategize, and research and post content. So to set expectations, Max isn't just a chatbot. You can think of it kind of like ChatGPT, but it's actually a lot more because Max is deeply integrated into your Marky workspace and has a deep knowledge of your business and your products and your services, everything that makes your business unique. And it's going to be able to use all that information as you use Max. You can talk to it like a partner. It'll know what you're talking about. It'll be able to create content that's super on brand, that do research for you, just do a lot more than some generic chatbot could. So in the next few minutes, we'll be showing you how to create a new post using Max and chatting with Max. And then we'll also show you some of the other things that you could use in Marky and other ways that you can use Max to do research for you, help you build out strategy around what you're doing, and then also just help you create content. So super excited about this video. Let's hop into it. All right, so I'm in Marky here, and you'll notice that there's a new tab on the left called Chat. And here's where you can talk to Max. Now, Max is a way that you can do everything within Marky you can do through Max. He's your research assistant, he's your strategist, content creator, scheduling helper. He kind of can help you do anything that you would normally do through Marky, you can do through Max. And let's talk about some ways that he's different than GBT. So he knows your business, he knows your workspace, and he also remembers information so much better. He can remember your themes or preferences, and he also has a lot of context. To help you get an idea of what Max can do, I'll pull up this graphic here. So Max has access to your library. That's all like a file system within Marky. It has access to tools. Those are different things to create posts, do research for you, just these different skill sets that Max has access to. Also has access to workflows. Those are quick ways to execute some kind of task that you want Max to do. Maybe it's you want him to create a whole month's worth of strategy or content for you. Maybe it's you wanting Max to audit your current strategy and do a lot of research. You can execute workflows. And then also Max has memory, so he'll get smarter and learn your preferences as you use him. Now let's look at how we actually go to use Max. I'm in here and I can just type in and ask Max something that I want him to do. So for example, let's have Max generate a post about a new car that we have at our dealership. Hey Max, make me a post using an AI generated image and research some about the 2026 Ford Mustang. I want the post to be about that, and tell people that they should come to my dealership to check it out because we have it in stock. Sweet. So we have that in there, and now you just send it to Max. Now, Max is going to be looking at your profile. It's going to understand your brand voice. It's going to understand your brand colors, and also everything about your dealership or your business. It'll have loaded into memory, and we'll be able to pull from that as it goes to do this. So you can see that it's already doing research about the Ford Mustang, and it's going to generate that image, and it's going to create those posts for me. So let's see how Max does. Sweet. So here's this awesome picture of the new Mustang, and I can even go view the post. You'll notice that Max can stay open as you're working with it, and it can just be on the right side. So here I can check this post out. Talks about the Ford Mustang has arrived and features touchscreen, kind of some of the features that I found about this car, and then also talks about visiting our showroom. Now anything I want to edit or change, I can. So say I don't want the snow. I want this to be more in the summertime. So I can say remake this image, but make the car red and put it in the summertime. Now you'll notice something about this image is it's using Austin landscape here because I told it that my business is in Austin. And so that's one of the really powerful ways Max can help you is it can help localize content. And no longer are you going to get generic type content. You're going to get content that's super specialized for your brand and your location. So check it out. So it recreated that image, still the same car, but now it's red, it's in summer. Say I like that post, and you'll notice that it even adjusted the caption here. Summer just got faster, and it talks about the car. If I like it, I can schedule it. So that's just the tip of the iceberg of what Max can do. If you want to get some other ideas on how you can use Max for your business, you can check out our workflows. Now, there's a bunch of workflows that you'll just see whenever you start a new chat. I definitely suggest doing the Marky Max onboarding. It will step you through some of the beginning themes you need to know when using Max. But for the curious, you can try one of these other ones, like generating a batch of content or auditing your current content strategy. And if you want to find out more, there's a whole bunch of more workflows in your marketplace, and there's a whole batch of getting started workflows. And these are just a quick way to do something with Max. So it's a great way to get started and learn a little bit more about how you can use Max. Super excited to be getting this to y'all, hear what you think. Now, in the next video, we'll be covering workflows a little bit deeper. We'll talk about how you can easily create workflows and discovering some new workflows. So stay tuned. You can watch that if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching, and good luck marketing.